undocumented WhatsApp threads, isolated Excel spreadsheets, and easily lost paper notebooks. This chart shows the financial trap. When fragmented data finally reaches finance, actual cash flow has diverged entirely from projected profit. This unrecoverable margin bleed forces contractors into a reactive position, building claims on weak memories rather than hard evidence. In construction disputes, there is one unforgiving rule. If you cannot mathematically prove the work happened, you do not get paid. This is the exact problem Crane was built to solve. It was developed from the hard hat up by industry veterans who spent over a decade living this specific pain across global megaprojects. Crane acts as the blue orchestration layer between legacy software and the physical field reality. Notice the digital tethers passing through this blue layer, feeding structured field intelligence directly from the site back down into enterprise systems. The theoretical plan from the office and the physical reality of the site are finally synchronized in real time.